Hey there, nature enthusiasts. Today I'm diving into one of the most unforgiving environments on our planet, the jungle. It's a place where only the fittest survive, and every creature must fight for its life every single day. Imagine being young Ang, navigating the dense foliage and treacherous terrain. Finding food is no walk in the park. It's a constant challenge. The jungle's harsh conditions mean not everyone makes it. Some of her kind fall prey to the relentless environment. The jungle is nothing short of a wildlife war zone. Torrential rains, tropical heat, and swarms of relentless insects create a hostile atmosphere that tests every resident's will to survive. And if that wasn't enough, the unpredictability of rainfall turns the battle for survival into a high-stakes game. During the dry season, the struggle becomes even more intense. Animals must adapt their behaviors and strategies to find the scarce food and water. It's a period of desperation, where every drop counts, and every move could be a matter of life or death. Now let's talk about one of the jungle's most formidable hunters, the jaguar. As apex predators, jaguars showcase incredible hunting prowess. Their ability to stalk and capture various prey while navigating the jungle's dangers is nothing short of extraordinary. Watch as they silently move through the trees, disappearing into the shadows, waiting for the perfect moment to strike. But it's not just the animals that are fascinating. The jungle itself is a living, breathing entity. The towering trees play a crucial role, providing food and shelter for species like orangutans. These magnificent creatures rely on the trees for survival, swinging from branch to branch in search of nourishment. And get this, the trees do more than just support wildlife. They influence the jungle's weather by releasing water vapor, especially during the dry season. This intricate system ensures that life in the jungle, though harsh, continues to flourish. So, the next time you think of the jungle, remember it's not just a lush green paradise, it's a battlefield where survival of the fittest is the name of the game. Every creature, big or small, plays a crucial part in the delicate balance of this wild ecosystem. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the heart of the jungle. If you enjoyed this adventure, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more incredible nature stories. Until next time, stay wild and keep exploring. Gap-2.0s. Now that we've seen how the larger animals and the jungle itself battle for survival, let's dive into the miniature world of jungle insects. These tiny creatures have developed incredible survival mechanisms to thrive in the harsh jungle environment. From camouflage to venom, each insect has its own way of staying alive. Take the leaf mimic katydid, for instance. Its body perfectly resembles a leaf, complete with veins and even spots that mimic fungal growth. Its clever disguise allows it to hide from predators, blending seamlessly into the jungle foliage. Then, there's the bullet ant, notorious for its excruciating sting. This tiny warrior uses venom as a powerful defense mechanism, ensuring that only the bravest or most desperate predators would dare to attack. But it's not all about defense. Some insects have taken the art of hunting to a whole new level. The praying mantis, with its lightning-fast strikes and razor-sharp forelegs, is a formidable predator in the insect world. Its ability to remain perfectly still, blending into the background, allows it to ambush unsuspecting prey with deadly precision. And let's not forget the industrious leafcutter ants. These tiny engineers work tirelessly, cutting leaves and transporting them back to their underground colonies. They use these leaves to cultivate fungus, which serves as their primary food source. This symbiotic relationship showcases the intricate balance of life in the jungle. Each of these insects plays a vital role in the jungle's ecosystem. Their unique adaptations not only ensure their survival, but also contribute to the delicate balance of this wild environment. So, the next time you think of the jungle, remember that it's not just the big animals that make it extraordinary. The smallest creatures often have the most fascinating stories to tell. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the world of jungle insects. If you enjoyed this adventure, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more incredible nature stories. Until next time, stay wild and keep exploring. And Gap-2.0s. Next, we'll look at the symbiotic relationships in the jungle. Many species rely on each other for survival, forming intricate partnerships For example, certain birds and mammals help disperse seeds, ensuring the growth of new plants. Let's discover how these relationships shape the jungle ecosystem. Gap-2.0s. In the heart of the jungle, life is interconnected in ways that are both astonishing and essential. One of the most remarkable examples of symbiosis is the relationship between the acacia tree and ants. The tree provides nectar and shelter to the ants, while the ants protect the tree from herbivores and even harmful fungi. This mutualistic relationship ensures both species thrive in an otherwise hostile environment. Gap-2.0s. Another fascinating partnership is between the jungle's fruit-bearing plants and the animals that eat their fruits. Birds, bats, and even some primates consume the fruits and later disperse the seeds far and wide through their droppings. This not only helps the plants propagate, but also maintains the diversity and richness of the jungle flora. Gap-2.0s. Then, there's the relationship between certain fungi and tree roots, known as mycorrhiza. The fungi extend the root system, allowing the tree to absorb more water and nutrients, while the tree supplies the fungi with essential sugars. This symbiotic relationship is a cornerstone of the jungle's nutrient cycle, supporting the growth of towering trees. Gap-2.0s. Even the smallest creatures play a part. Consider the cleaner fish that rid larger fish of parasites. The cleaner fish get a meal and the larger fish enjoy better health. Such partnerships are crucial for maintaining the balance of life in the jungle. Gap-2.0s. These symbiotic relationships highlight the intricate web of life in the jungle. Each species, no matter how small, plays a vital role in sustaining this complex ecosystem. By working together, they create a thriving, dynamic environment where life can flourish. Gap-2.0s. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of the jungle's symbiotic relationships. If you found this journey fascinating, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more incredible nature stories. Until next time, stay curious and keep discovering. Gap-2.0s. Now, let's dive into the world of jungle plants. These plants are not just passive residents, they actively participate in the survival game. Some plants have developed defensive mechanisms like thorns and toxins, while others have evolved to attract specific pollinators. Join me as we explore the fascinating world of jungle flora. Gap-2.0s. In the dense canopy, competition for sunlight is fierce. Certain plants, like the lianas, have adapted by becoming climbers. They use other trees as support, reaching for the light above. These climbing plants are essential for the jungle's structure, creating pathways for animals and increasing the diversity of the ecosystem. Gap-2.0s. Some plants have taken a more aggressive approach to survival. The stinging nettle, for instance, has tiny hairs filled with irritating chemicals. When touched, these hairs break off and release their toxins, deterring herbivores from munching on their leaves. Gap-2.0s. Then, there are the carnivorous plants like the pitcher plant. These fascinating flora have evolved to trap and digest insects, supplementing their nutrient intake in the nutrient-poor jungle soil. Their unique adaptations highlight the extreme measures some plants take to survive. Gap-2.0s. Pollination is another battlefield where jungle plants show their ingenuity. The rafflesia flower, known for its enormous size and foul odor, attracts carrion flies for pollination. On the other hand, orchids have developed intricate shapes and colors to lure specific pollinators like bees and butterflies, ensuring their reproduction. Gap-2.0s. The jungle floor is home to plants like the bromeliads, which create mini ecosystems within their leaves. These plants collect water in their central reservoirs, providing a habitat for small creatures like frogs and insects. This microhabitat is crucial for the survival of many species in the jungle. Gap-2.0s. Jungle plants are not mere spectators in the game of survival. Their adaptations and interactions with other species are a testament to their resilience and ingenuity. By understanding these hidden warriors, we gain a deeper appreciation for the complexity and beauty of the jungle ecosystem. Gap-2.0s. Thank you for joining me on this journey through the world of jungle plants. If you enjoyed this exploration, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more captivating nature stories. Until next time, stay curious and keep discovering. Gap-2.0s. In this chapter, we'll focus on the nocturnal life of the jungle. When the sun sets, a whole new set of creatures emerges. From stealthy predators to elusive prey, the jungle at night is a different world. Let's uncover the mysteries of the jungle after dark. Gap-2.0s. As twilight fades and darkness envelops the jungle, a symphony of sounds fills the air. The chirping of crickets, the distant calls of nocturnal birds, and the rustling of leaves create an eerie yet enchanting atmosphere. Gap-2.0s. One of the most fascinating nocturnal predators is the jaguar. With its keen eyesight and silent approach, this big cat stalks its prey through the underbrush. Jaguars are apex predators, and their presence keeps the jungle ecosystem in balance. Gap-2.0s. Meanwhile, high in the canopy, the slow and deliberate movements of the nocturnal kinkajou can be seen. This small mammal, with its prehensile tail and large eyes, navigates the treetops in search of fruit and nectar. Its role as a pollinator is crucial for the reproduction of many jungle plants. Gap-2.0s. On the forest floor, the army of leafcutter ants begins its nightly march. These industrious insects cut leaves and carry them back to their underground nests. The leaves are not for consumption, but to cultivate a special fungus that serves as their primary food source. This complex symbiotic relationship is a marvel of nature's ingenuity. Gap-2.0s. In the world of insects, the fireflies put on a mesmerizing light show. Their bioluminescent glow is not just for beauty, it's a communication tool for finding mates and warding off predators. The jungle at night is illuminated by these tiny beacons of light, creating a magical ambience. Gap-2.0s. Nighttime is also when some of the most elusive creatures make their appearance. The spectral tarsier, with its enormous eyes and incredible leaping ability, hunts for insects in the cover of darkness. Its adaptations are perfectly suited for a nocturnal lifestyle, making it one of the jungle's most specialized hunters. Gap-2.0s. The nocturnal life of the jungle is a testament to the adaptability and resilience of its inhabitants. Each creature, from the smallest insect to the largest predator, plays a vital role in maintaining the delicate balance of this ecosystem. Gap-2.0s. Thank you for joining me on this nocturnal journey through the jungle. If you enjoyed this exploration, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more captivating nature stories. Until next time, stay curious and keep discovering. Or Gap-2.0s. Finally, we'll discuss the impact of human activities on the jungle. Deforestation, poaching, and climate change are threatening this delicate ecosystem. Gap-2.0s. Human actions have led to the loss of vast stretches of jungle, disrupting habitats and forcing wildlife to adapt or perish. The relentless cutting down of trees not only reduces the jungle's ability to act as the lungs of the planet, but also destroys the homes of countless species. Gap-2.0s. Poaching is another grave threat. Iconic animals like the jaguar, once kings of the jungle, are now at risk due to illegal hunting and trade. Every year, countless animals are taken from their natural habitats, pushing them closer to extinction. Gap-2.0s. Climate change exacerbates these issues. Rising temperatures and unpredictable weather patterns alter the delicate balance of the jungle, affecting everything from plant growth to animal migration patterns. The once predictable cycles of life are now thrown into disarray. Gap-2.0s. Despite these challenges, there is hope. Conservation efforts around the world are making a difference. Protected areas are being established, allowing wildlife to thrive in their natural habitats. Anti-poaching initiatives are gaining ground, and local communities are being empowered to protect their forests. Gap-2.0s. Sustainable practices are also being promoted. From responsible tourism to eco-friendly products, every small action counts. We can all contribute to preserving the jungle by making informed choices and supporting organizations dedicated to conservation at Gap-2.0s. The future of the jungle depends on our collective efforts. By raising awareness and taking action, we can ensure that this incredible ecosystem continues to flourish for generations to come. Gap-2.0s. Thank you for joining me on this journey through the jungle. If you enjoyed this exploration, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more captivating nature stories. Until next time, stay curious and keep discovering.